Hello everyone, I'm Vidya. Welcome back to my channel. Today let's meet Soumya and Jyoti, two inspiring women with very different journeys. Soumya runs a small food stall where she serves hot tea and coffee along with crispy biscuits and the famous Maharashtrian Pune special vada pav. Her stall may be simple but it is filled with warmth, taste and hard work. And then there is Jyoti. For her, making dolls is not a hobby or a business, it is her true passion. Since childhood, she has loved art. She simply cannot sit idle. Whenever she gets free time, she starts creating something beautiful. Making dolls is what she truly loves, and every piece she creates comes straight from her heart. Two different paths, one built with hard work, the other driven by pure passion. Let's hear their story in their own voice.
I'm Jyoti Warrior. I love art in any form. It was my passion to do some sort of, I can never sit quietly. So I started painting, tanjo art, miniature art. These are all the things which I've done. Unfortunately, many of them I'm not displaying here because they have all sold out. So, and then I went into dolls. I love making dolls. So it's just purely passion. From childhood, I love art. So mine is it's just passion. And what comes and I do it. I get time at home, free time. So I make use of. That's it. Money as a business, I don't have big ambitions. I'm quite happy with what I make, and I give many of the things. So it's not like pure business. I don't have that business mind.
Today we have tea, coffee, some biscuits, which is like Maharashtrian Pune famous biscuits, and then we have vada pav, which is yet to be displayed, but we'll get the vada pav as well. Yeah, it's me and my sister-in-law. We're both doing this. Okay, it's been I think around 1.5 years now since we started this. It's mainly focused on snacks, chai, and vada pav, basically Maharashtrian, and also samosa, all of that. So it's been 1.5 years now. It started as a side hustle, just the passion to cook and everything, and yeah, just a side hustle. Nothing major, just side hustle. Yeah, I think it's important to continue whatever drives you. We all have something that we do for our bread and butter, but still, like, if there is something that drives you, you just have to take it up, like, go ahead with it. So yeah, started with that. That's it.
Soumya and Jyoti remind us that success doesn't always begin with the big plans. Sometimes it starts with small steps, a tea and coffee stall spreading warmth, or a passion that never lets you sit still. Jyoti shows us that when you truly love something, you don't need a business mindset. Your passion itself becomes your identity. Let's support and encourage such an inspiring women who are creating their own path. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.